I've seen hell. Today, I'm opening up about the biggest mistakes I've made while trying to make money online and how you can absolutely avoid these mistakes to make your journey smoother. I nearly quit. Let me just let you see for yourself. Mistake number one. Taking no's to heart. Growing up as a kid, I had everything I wanted. Mom and dad barely told me no, I was spoiled. Fast forward to adulthood, I thought the world should follow suit ordinarily. No stress. Give me everything I want. Just follow the manual. Now imagine when I got my first no. When I first started, every no felt like a rejection. I took it very personal. I would pitch my products and ideas, talk from now to tomorrow, only to hear not interested or at worst no response at all. Jesus. It was really crushing. Now, this happened because I had unrealistic expectations. I thought everyone should just want what I was selling. I did not understand that no means not now or not the right fit, and it's not a reflection of my worth. Getting a no means they are simply not interested, or you should look into your offer, look for something to fix. It's easy to say now, but then it frustrated me so much. I would even be depressed about it. And of course, the next thing that follows is not giving your best or not being consistent anymore. Again, is how I turned things around. I shifted my perspective. I began to take the rejection as feedback. A no is simply an opportunity to improve your product or target an even better audience. Also set realistic goals. Instead of aiming for 100% conversions, which is nearly impossible, focus on reaching a specific number of leads and learning from the process. Leads are the number of people you talk to and are actually interested in your product. Practice resilience. Remind yourself that rejection is part of the journey and not the end process. It gets better. Mistake number two, jumping on every make money online bandwagon. I can't count the number of courses I bought only to get scammed or at worst disappointed. This particular one happened because I was kind of desperate for quick wins and did not really check to verify the results, to check whether they actually have the results they claim to have. There is a difference between having results and merely selling dreams. It's easier to fall for shiny promises when you are eager to succeed. Now, I do thorough research before buying anything. Check for reviews, testimonials, and verifiable success stories. If someone is promising you a result that seems too good to be true, it probably is. I don't buy spontaneously. I buy from people I've been following for months or even years. Invest in value, not hype. Look for creators or coaches who offer actionable value upfront. If their free content is valuable, their paid product is probably worth it. So check if their free content is valuable. Stay focused. Instead of chasing trends, commit to one or two strategies and stick to them. Actually commit to making them work for a long time. You are not making money because you are out there chasing every trend instead of milking what you have until there's nothing left. Two blind people cannot lead each other. Follow only those that have achieved what you aspire to. Mistake number three was lack of consistency. This wasn't entirely my fault, or it still held me back. I had to take an 11-month law program that consumed all my time, making content creation nearly impossible. It would have been easier if I was making lifestyle content. That way, I would just have to vlog how my day was going. But that would have taken me too far from my niche. In fact, I did. I did do lifestyle content, but I couldn't keep up with it. Law school was too intense. So being away for that long, coming back, it was like building all over from scratch. My hot audience had gotten cold. Now, was there a way I could have avoided it? I think yes, if I had a larger team. My team then was just I, my assistant, and my graphic designer. I didn't have a video editor yet. I tried hiring, but I couldn't get one. So if I had a larger team, I think I would have been able to maybe batch create content during the weekends and send to my team for editing and scheduling. Here is something very important. If you are coming back just like me, accept the comeback process. Focus on reconnecting with your audience instead of expecting instant results. Mistake number four, not having a plan. Before, what I used to do was I get an idea and I instantly run to create flyer, wait lists, and markets, hoping that people would join. It was practically impulse over strategy. I let excitement dictate my actions instead of planning. I did not have any strategic plan that dictates goals, target audience, and marketing strategies. Every marketing was literally on hope, and when I failed, it really hit bad. That is a lesson not to throw that in the dark, hoping that something will stick. Plan everything to the T. Goals, target audience, marketing strategies. It makes you wake up assured and kind of organized. Having a plan helps. Set measurable goals. Instead of having vague aspirations like make sales, set a target like get 10 new leads a day. Create detailed calendars. Plan content, launches, promotions weeks earlier to avoid scrambling. Mistake number five, overcomplicating the process. In the beginning, I thought making money online required extensive tools, resources, and systems. That you need to have a landing page, a website, everything fully automated using many charts, all of those things. I'm not saying they don't help, they do, but you really don't need them when you are just starting out. I doubted simple strategies can work. Simple strategies do work. All you just need to do is focus on the basics. Identify the key actions that drive your results, which includes creating content and making connections. Use affordable tools. Instead of using expensive software, you can use low cost options until you can afford an upgrade. Instead of opting for a professional camera, you can use your phone camera. Start with what you have. Simplify your offers. Instead of offering 5 services, why not focus on one thing that the market actually needs and market the hell out of it? My sixth mistake was not building an email list early. I can't address this enough, and this came from the mindset that Nigerians don't read emails. I really don't know where I got that advice, and I carried it along with me because I did not even read my own emails. That advice was really bad. There are a lot of people who will not even send what you are selling until they've seen your email for like 5 times. Learned Nigerians open their emails. Don't let anybody deceive you. And if you're going to be making money online, you need learned people. And what do? You start gathering them. I figured that it's the fear of having to grow an email list that limits most people. Get rid of that fear. Start offering your freebies and telling people to give you their emails to get them. It was lack of awareness, seriously. I did not understand the power of email marketing then. To change this, I started collecting emails. I offered free resources like ebooks or templates to get people to sign up. And then I engaged my email lists regularly by sending weekly newsletters and priming them for my offers. Right now, I kid you not, I use my emails for sales. Some of my most loyal customers now come from my email list, not just social media. Mistake number 7 was ignoring analytics. This particular mistake can cause you to be shooting in the dark and thinking you are doing well when you are not. Stop posting content blindly without pausing to check what is working and what is not. Many people have the fear of numbers. I know they find analytics very overwhelming and tend to avoid them. If that is you, get rid of that fear. It's just numbers. Learn the metrics that matter. Don't focus on just likes and comments. Focus on your reach. How many people are you reaching? Focus on your conversions. Adjust based on your data and discovery. If a particular type of post performs well for you, recreate it. Start making data-driven decisions. Your analytics should be what is guiding you to save time and effort. Those numbers don't lie. Numbers don't lie. Start looking into them. Each of these lessons helped me grow. I'm not there anymore, but I'm sharing them so you can avoid this pitfall. So if you are a small creator, you don't have any of these mistakes, and you're wondering why you are not landing clients, then watch this video right here where I show you how to land clients every day without a large following. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in this video.